In this video, we will demonstrate barcode file naming and document separation using Barcode. We have the scanner set up to read a barcode and add it to the file name. The scanner is also set to recognize a barcoded page as the beginning of a new document. For this demonstration, we're going to use 3 different documents. One is a 2-page purchase order form, the second is a 3-page employee performance review, and the third is a 4-page commercial inventory control sheet. Load all the documents in the scanner at the same time and tap the Job button. After all 3 documents have been scanned, we can review them on the optional document preview display. The individual documents are color-coded. Orange is one document, blue is another document, and green is the final document. Tap Next to upload the files. And now, in our network shared folder, we can see all 3 documents that we scanned with the barcode embedded in the file name. The first is a 2-page purchase order. Second is the 3-page employee performance review. And the third is a 4-page commercial invoice.